Girls, what we got here is some hot rod Corvairs, and my buddy there with a built 327 mid-engine Crown is going to come by here at 150,247.2 Newton meter kilometer per hour, and I'm going to try hop this fence. Oh boy. I'll leave my Apple right there in the blazing sun, and bear with me while I hop this fence. All right, I now just hopped the fence and didn't break any bones or get snagged. So what's going to happen here, boys and girls? We're going to have a hot Corvair go by here. 327, probably 400 horsepower. Not that one, that's just a 110 4-speed. Phew, Corvair car show. It is hot here, hot in the desert. Yep, we are in the desert. And I catch my breath for a second. Ooh, cracked a rib the other day. I was drilling the windshield wiper motor on my high cube van, and I pushed on the drill with my chest and snap, crackle, pop, just like Rice Krispies. I cracked a rib, but it's getting better. So we're just gonna have to wait a moment. We're at the 2018 Corvair fan belt toss in Palm Springs, California, at the back of Sunrise Park. If you put it in your GPS, you go all the way to the front, and this is a big park. It's a full city block. So in a minute or two, in a Corvair minute, we're gonna have a hot rod Crown Corvair come blasting around the corner, crunching through the gears. And we did it a few 3-4 years ago when he had a 283. Now he's got a 327. One of the best engines ever built. Of course, the olds, 350, 425, 455, 327, 350. Crank that baby up. They're all good motors. All the GM motors were good. The Buicks were good as long as they had good oil pressure because the oil pump wears. The Pontiac motors were good. They were all the same size block, 348s, 409s. I'm gonna put this on pause for a minute and save my dry breath because it is hot here in the desert. There was a nice 68 Camaro Rally Sport left the park earlier, light yellow with a black vinyl top. Just like my mother bought brand new, but hers wasn't a Rally Sport. 66 Corsa 140 4-speed. She had a brand new 68 Camaro, and one left here. I didn't see it until it was going down the road. A nice 67 Rally Sport Camaro with a black vinyl top. Pause, please. Andrew, ugly truck, whatever. Hi.
How are you doing?
Hi. This is a great car. I like this. Don't ever paint this car.
Okay.
These other tiny cars.
Yeah. There's very little to do here.
Would you ever sell this car?
Yeah, I probably might make a roll out of it.
Mark Corbin sold a very similar car to this. You know who Mark is?
Yeah, I know of him.
Yeah, I just was on the phone with him. He's in Ohio. He sold a two-tone Texas car. 70,000 miles. Mechanics are all gone through, bushings, motor, everything. 4-speed, air, two-tone. AM/FM, multiplex, 8-track. 67.
6700?
No, 67. It was 1967.
Okay.
Headrest seats,
Ooh,
deluxe seat belts, deluxe steering wheel, loaded, remote control mirror, loaded. Original faded paint, kind of like this, and we sold it to Tim Shortle, $8,500 a couple of years ago.
oh,
It went to a good home. I would have liked it, but it went to a good home. He drives it. I don't know. Based on that, is this thing worth a little less? But this had multiplex, headrest seat, 67 is very rare. They made a couple hundred, so equipped, if that.
oh yeah.
Well, I'd buy this car from you. It's the right price. That's $25,000 for it. Ask anything you want. When and if you're ready, you know where to find me.
All right, I do. Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah, I'd like to buy this car. I like it, but I wouldn't like it if you painted it.
It drives well. I don't think it's ever had the brake lines done or the bushings. I haven't gone through
The bushings, until they're finished, if they get hard, they get brittle, they age, especially the back ones. The Corvairs are really hard on the back bushings because of the geometry. I just bought some parts here that the bushings are actually pretty good, which is amazing. For 55 years.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So I don't think the new cars are going to look so good at 55.
Probably right. How long have you owned this car for?
I got about 10 years with it now.
I probably saw it just after you bought it. I've been coming here for 6-7 years.
Yeah.
Maybe more.
I think it was one of the first times. I think the first time you weren't. I don't think I was almost going to offer you my motel room.
I'm sharing with a guy here.
Split on it.
Yeah.
Because I don't think you had one that night.
I had a nasty wife who liked me to work. And couldn't play. I just would leave. She'd get in the shower in the morning before work, and I'd just grab all my stuff, have it ready to go, and call me an hour later, and I'd say, I'm on my way to Billy's. You know where to find me. Bye. I just come up here and learn. Now I just stay with my girlfriend, and I don't have to be back. I got work to do.
It's great you move around like that. Get out west. How's the suburban hunting doing?
Very well. I went from famine, basically living on the street in a cardboard box, and I came here last night after chasing ghosts in Phoenix all week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, chasing people, waiting for people, going to look at junk, driving across town. You gotta be kidding. People didn't show up for appointments. One guy said he just wrecked it, his wife's in the ambulance. Yeah, right. My dog just ate the homework and fell in the pool and caught stuck. So I came here and a guy just bought a pickup truck, and I was talking to him. I said, oh wow, where'd you buy it? Craigslist. He said, no, offer up. I said, what? Never heard of it. I Googled it, put in suburban, and the first one that came up, 30 seconds. Wow, called the guy. You're in Hemet? Be there in an hour.
Oh.
I talked to him halfway there, then I called a friend of mine, tell him what I was doing, got to the guy's house, pulled in the driveway, expecting shit to hit the fan like usual. Oh, I just sold it, and my wife decided not to sell it, or we lost the keys. And the guy was honest and described it. The truck was what I wanted. Pretty close.
Oh, good.
Right price, $3,500. $1,000 bucks. Then he calls me today, and I'm ready to hear him say, well, we had a little, just checking in, make sure everything's going according to plan. I got the wheels, the extra wheels for you. And getting
you are pretty vulnerable.
yeah, but I was in New York, and I called a woman on Saturday with a 1-ton crew cab, 6.5 diesel, blah, 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 $2,500. I'm ready to buy it. I'll be there tomorrow. I call her and text her and call her and call her and text her all day long from 9 in the morning till 9 at night. Nothing. The ad's still up. Next morning I call her at 3 o'clock. She answers. Hi. I said, you sold this 1-ton truck? Oh, I sold that yesterday. He told me he didn't have any calls in 2 weeks. He said, well, somebody else called the same time as you. I'm here in Phoenix. I guess it's sold. People don't answer the phone because I'm 5'8", so I should get a local phone.
Oh, that would be a good disguise.
Well, yeah.
Well, not a disguise.
Yeah, but I talked to one guy for half an hour. I'll meet you out, and I was in Tolleson, Arizona, which is a 45-minute drive to Mesa.
Okay.
Drove there, got to motor vehicle 10 minutes early, and I'm waiting in there for an hour. Pacing, calling, texting. I'm in an ambulance. My wife just wrecked the truck. Oh, come on. I even called the police. Did you have any accidents in the last couple hours? Nope. Any major accidents or personal injuries? Nope. Couldn't have been far away.
Well, it's kind of ironic. The guy was rolling in here and he was on his phone. I said, hey, put your phone down. You know, you're driving. No, my wife's in emergency.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Didn't want me to do it. Normally I wouldn't care, but you weren't looking. You were looking this way.
I actually, when I drive long distance, keeps me awake. The conversation keeps me awake. The opposite of what you'd expect. But this texting is terrible. Even I do it. Boring as hell driving down the road. Would you sell this car? Is it the only Corvair you have? I've never seen
The only Corvair I have? I don't know. Me and my wife, kind of rough. Not the smoothest.
Oh, I just got a divorce.
So, but I don't want to go through that trauma, you know.
You know why people get, you know why divorces are expensive? Because they're worth it. I lost to my ex. I probably lost $500,000. We had a lot of equity. I knew exactly how to make money. So did she. She had a good lawyer, and I signed stuff I shouldn't have signed just to get it over with. I lost. We had a 29-unit building, a duplex, a fourplex next door. 2 buildings that paid off. We had a lot of stuff. Pay off the freaking mortgage. She's working her ass off, slaving away, keeping the buildings running. She's got 29, 32, 36 apartments now. She sold 12, I just sold 5. She's a workaholic. Couldn't take it. You don't want to have kids? You have kids?
No. No kids. I'm married late. 40, 67. So anyway, my brother wants me to come to Northern California. Right. Traded in for rental still. So I wouldn't count on this. It's a lovely car.
I don't need to buy anything anytime. No rush to buy anything. I've got 40 cars. It isn't like I need one more. But I like it.
Well, thank you.
I like it.
Appreciate it. Good looking girl.
I even got spare wheels like this. I've been for 30 years. More. I've got a couple spare wheels. Rolled into the shop one day and they're still sitting around. I don't have my card with me. It's in my hotel room. I took a whole bunch of cards and I left them in the hotel room. But you know where to find them.
Yeah, Corvair Wild.
Yeah, I mean, email Corvair Wild. I'm the easiest man. What did you pay for this car? Did you put any work into it?
Virtually no. I paid a lot of money for it. I paid 10 for it. It had an extra windshield, extra transaxle. I did. Other body parts. No, other mechanical. The original dash.
Or I could just resell the...
What kind of course is that? You didn't even know. Mark sold this car to you.
Yeah, I doubt him ever going to get 10.
Mark sold this car for 85, and this car, as I would put it, had a half a point better than this on a scale of 10. Paint was faded, but it was straight. It was faded nice. A nice patina. The interior was like new. The air worked, 4-speed.
Yeah, the air doesn't work on this one. That's going to be a
Might be the
pretty
simplest
good
thing.
size.
No, it might be the simplest thing. Could be anything. Could be just a switch is bad, or
It seemed to be less and less effective, so I'm thinking so old that it's outgassing or whatever it does.
They all did that. Yeah, I think you overpaid.
Yeah.
But if you wanted it and you had a good time, it's the
Yeah.
price of Corvairs don't go up in value much.
Dependable.
Corvairs don't go up in value. All the Corvair guys are getting really old now.
Yeah.
There's a lot of Corvairs for sale.
Gonna come to the market. And if we don't get the youth involved.
It's not happening. I was watching a video on a guy that put a Tesla powertrain in an Audi. And it's running perfectly. And it had plywood on the dash with the gauges mounted with screws and plywood. And I watched the video. I watched 15 minutes of how he did that. Incredible. Kids don't want Corvairs. Just like, you're not going to find a Corvair playing with a kid playing with a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
It's not happening. Corvairs are past, has been.
Yeah.
You get the odd person here below 40. I used to be the youngest guy at the Corvairs. I was always the youngest guy. It tells you something.
Well, and then these young folks, they just love that. Yeah, they put a lot of money in that fuel injection system and everything.
It's a good idea.
Yeah.
Gotta
great
know what
idea.
you're doing.
I mean, if they could make this car run cleaner with a, injection, that would be appealing to me. It was relatively, expensive.
There's two guys. There's Ray Sedman, his is expensive and complex. And there's Ted Brown, which is a simpler system, but it's not as clean. And they both work. They're both tried and true. But do you need it?
So is Ray Brown over here?
Ted Brown, Ray Sedman is here.
Okay,
He's in the
Ray
greater
Sedman.
LA area.
I think I recognize him.
Ray, he's a small guy, he's kind of quiet, but he knows his stuff. He's by far the best Corvair mechanical guy in the world, by far. His work is impeccable. He engineers everything to the nth degree. Clean and sanitary and just perfect. He's in Northridge,
Okay.
just north of LA. Then there's Ted Brown. He's in North Carolina maybe, and I met him. I drove his car. He had cruise control in it, 67 convertible. This is his pilot car, his test car, and it works. Turn the key, it fires up, and the idle comes down, the cruise control accelerates, it did everything it was supposed to do. Well, he sells a kit through parts.
Oh.
So it's a do-it-yourself kit, unless there's some shop, maybe California Corvair, maybe he'll install it.
Yeah, definitely.
But it butchers the car up. You gotta drill holes and put coil packs and drill the pipe. It's a lot of work.
Okay.
It's not turnkey.
You're not going to the banquet.
I don't need to sit and do it. I'm not into heavy meals. I can eat a celery and hummus. Meal. Yeah. I'd rather have an apple and a bag of grapes. That's me. Let me get a video of this thing. Hang on a second. Let me turn the video on.